the question now, minding your business is not our culture. Not true or na wash. And then this conversation now based on a lady where we say she go restaurant, and you know our restaurant they join body for Lagos. Where we say if you sit down, if you dey hear with the other person they talk.
Yes,
now this lady come put mouth talk on top social media say so person if you dey hear me that your date where they date they cheat on you, because I hear conversation where they talk. It talk everything where they talk for a social media handle. Then on top of the matter. When she talk and finish, they won't call sue the person, and then they can ask this question: say, why she not fit mind her business?
Waiting consigner.
Waiting consigner for the matter. Is it your business? Then somebody can write for the comment section say, inside this Africa, inside Nigeria, minding your business is not our culture. Our culture is not to mind. In fact, we have actually gotten this level of communalism where we say if something happen, everybody go put hand. If pikin mess up, before even do pay, another person don't beat the pikin.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Say they're no longer dey friends with someone where they once called their bestie. Many people still cherish the memories even though their friendship don't fade away. But then 91% of people no longer deal with their bestie. So
It's okay.
It's
fine.
But what really
Because
happened? What went wrong?
I really cannot say what went wrong because I sit there with my friend. But there are some close friends I had before where I no get again. Sometimes people just fizzle out. Meaning that
Not just friends, I'm talking about best friends, bestie.
Bestie, you know, definition of bestie really differ from person to person. They can just be really, really close friends, and you can be best friends with another person, and the kind of relationship you have is still close. So let me leave it as very close friends, and you just fizzle out. Things just happen. As I said earlier, life will continue to life, and before you know it, space don't they enter, and distance don't they cause everybody's just face their work and all of that, and before you know it, it's been a while, it's been years, it's been
for me
going back and having conversations, one party will always feel say you offend me, reach out to me. So how many people you want apologize to?
For me, out of curiosity, I go like one know what be that thing will make your bestie no best again for your life, because it's encompassing. Some people that say my bestie never wanted the best for me. This lady thought he went around spreading lies about me, and because she was the only one I ever showed and posted on my page, a lot of people believed. Sometimes if it be man, sometimes if it be money, sometimes if it be gist, so many things like this don't even cause besties to sometimes no longer date together. Yes, lies. So I go like know wetin really. For me, I never had a bestie. I had a couple of friends, especially because of my temperament. Everybody, for any point where I go, they are friends. But say I get one very, very, very.
I get to.
But I get people who they close to me at every level of my life. You get, and that thing don't really help me. I get close friend now for broadcasting. I get so many persons when I call them, they like 3, but it get waiting enough. You just tell them perfectly. We don't. Like some secret, some day with me, some go still go grave with me, So I just feel, it's just day like that, but it's well.
Anyways, if you want to share with us, that reason where they talk to that your friend
bestie again.
You please send it to us. Remember, we still they find out if you submit this audio.
That's who you are.
Yes, it's me. But I love you.
It's your love. It's your love. Don't love me again. I don't love you.
Our number never changed. Now still 090-448-213013. Time don't reach for us to enter not true on our watch on top Whats Up Naija. And the conversation we get today, it go shake body, because whether I like it or not, one way or another, you don't experience them. Abi?
Yes, so and this conversation now based on a lady where we say she go restaurant, and our restaurant they join body for Lagos. Where we say if you sit down, if you dey hear with the other person they talk.
Yes,
now this lady come put mouth talk on top social media say so person if you dey hear me that your date where they date they cheat on you, because I hear conversation where they talk. It talk everything where they talk for a social media handle. Then on top of the matter, when she talk and finish, they won't call sue the person, and then they can't ask this question, say, why she not fit mind her business?
Waiting consigner.
Waiting consigner for the matter. Is it your business? Then somebody can write for the comment section, say, inside this Africa, inside Nigeria, minding your business is not our culture. Our culture is not to mind. In fact, we have actually gotten this level of communalism where we say if something happen, everybody go put hand. If pikin mess up, before even do pay, another person don't beat the pikin. So on top, not true or not wash. The question now, minding your business is not our culture. Not true or not wash.
Minding our business no be our culture. Not true or not wash. We know they mind our business. So normally we know they mind our business. As you don't talk now, it takes a community, it takes a village to raise it. Even though right now a lot of people want to do like me and my wife, me and my girlfriend, me and my family, no touch my child, no correct my child, no. But in the context of waiting, they talk, should they look out for our own sister now? Should they look women supporting women?
But the truth be say, we also need to understand the place of privacy, the place of respecting people's boundary.
Now so
no mind your business, don't mind your business. Some people don't carry on for head to say, you go see me, they bath. And I do hear me water, I go say, neighbor, they waste water. You think they waste water? Now so I tie wrapper.
No mind your business. Your house they catch fire. No mind your business. I no go and help you. It won't that cause the whole house to burn down? Won't that cause no?
House never burn. Now today house they burn.
My brother, my sister, if they listen to me, minding our business. I know say it gets bound. There are times where you need to have your own boundaries, but for our culture, we know. Say minding our business.
We not carry
you
and
I
side.
we know
not
say
carry that culture
you know
near
say
my side.
minding our business no be our culture.
I tell rapper for my estate, the woman tell me say this rapper what they tell I don't marry. I say what's your business? I disturb you. Am I looking for your marriage?
Now elderly woman they talk to like
which
that.
other woman we don't marry when normally are supposed to marry? I say marry by 25.
No get respect. Now so how old are you now?
How many years? 18 years don't reach to do something. I'm 18.
Oga.
Everybody mind their business. Drink water.
Send us message on top WhatsApp 09048213013. They ask you to they mind our business. No be our culture. Not true or not wash. You support them or you oppose them.
It's a wash something.
It's a true something.
No be our culture.
No be our culture. Not true or not wash.
Me I talk and say na wash with that. Which one be say minding your business no be our culture.
But like, you know say no be our culture. Wetin you suppose talk be say na true but e no suppose be because you already know say our culture we no dey mind our business. Why you dey follow blog post by post, comment by section? You dey follow their comment. You dey follow na because you know you want to see wetin dey happen for another person marriage, another person wetin dey post. You are so invested in it. So it is our culture to always poke nose. It is our culture to always chook mouth inside things wey no concern us.
But my culture inside our culture na to change the culture.
Na so.
Yes, because I'm wondering how we have decided that not minding our business is something that is our culture.
Wait.
Who tell us this thing?
Let me tell you something. For whatever it is wey we get, there is the good, there's the bad, sometimes there's the ugly. So the good self dey inside not minding your business. Remember the fire incident wey I give.
So
if people dey mind their business, there is a benefit because person wey dey inside violent marriage, if people are minding their business, they go leave the woman make she die for the marriage. But because people are not minding their business, they will enter that conversation and ensure that she is saved from that violence.
The last fight who almost blind my eye, I see husband and wife they fight. I tell them also make them comot hand for the matter. Now so the man carry hand what they shook my eye. The woman called it say who send you?
Who send you?
From the time I know say minding your business is not my thing.
But you know say your conscience tell you wetin you suppose do.
My conscience not tell me anything. I won't be act like how some people they act. I just notice say it is wrong. If they no call you for something,
your own are the exception to the general rule because no be waiting me.
Dare to be different.
Which one is dare to be different?
Dare to be different.
Our culture.
You are unique in your own way. You are unique way.
Na so. Our culture na to chook mouth inside the business of every single person. Whether it's now good or that is now your own prerogative to talk.
Where they say right
whether we like it or not.
In which constitution?
Whether we like it or not. minding our business.
Translation, they are going to pour you hot water if we do not stop to the chook eye for somebody's business.
So.
It's not a culture. It's a bad thing. You cannot be doing it.
Okay,
you should focus on your focus.
Send us a message on top WhatsApp 090-4821-3013. Yanga FM station Wasabi. Why they look like that?
You no go mind your business.
I don't go mind my business because I care about you. I don't go mind my business. If I mind my business now, you go talk say now wow.
Who go
why
talk?
You? Because there's so many times. No, let us put our dirty linen outside.
Oh, your linen dirty.
Your own no dirty.
So the thing is,
it's dirty now.
I serve a clean God. My linen can never dirty.
It's dirty.
So on top today matter, where would they see the drag say, minding our business or not minding business is not our culture. That normally.
Not true. Normally.
That normally we should be putting eyes on else's business. How the abnormal have become normal in an abnormal world.
It's not.
It's a something to think about. Because as for me and my household, I stand not to be corrected. Don't even start to correct me. That you should mind your business.
Whether we like, nobody's saying you should not mind your business. I'm just saying that not minding our business no be our culture. Not true, because we don't mind our business. But whether you now like it or not, or whether we now have the good, the bad and the ugly out of it, that is now your own prerogative.
We don't drop some culture. Now still culture, we get things like killing of twins them those years. We drop some of them. Why can't we drop this very one?
Your mama, they ask you when you go settle.
I don't tell her me no, they ask me and she don't change.
She don't change.
Yes.
Your papa they ask you.
Enough you talk, they pray to God now, reverend. You don't get that time.
You don't get that time.
I've stopped those things.
Your aunties, all of them.
They didn't give them liver. They didn't give them liver. Oh, they asked me. I'm a monster. They made me. Do you understand? They were the shit. Translation.
Anyway.
So I'm just saying that you really need to mind your business. Very important. Don't use culture as an excuse.
Well, that's the culture we have right here, right now. Whether it's going to change, I do not know. But we do not mind our business. But we should try and define or set boundaries for the kind of, invasion of privacy where we want to do. Because sometimes not minding your business might even save you from wahala.
And sometimes it can put you for trouble, like the person where Regina Daniel and her husband don't put for trouble so last week. You see it?
How did you know if you mind your business?
My phone show me.
Ogbeni Sojare, wetin you talk about it?
Nice wait your gas sports go come up.
No, they mind your business. The job where they do, they mind your business.
Now what they pay me for?
Exactly.
They say make I do it.
Why can't you say no? My culture, I want to ensure that
I don't like to say no for something. Because money they inside it. Thank you very much for all of you. My name is JC Talks. Mind that business of Yanga 89.9 fame. Thank you very much.
If they mind their own business, they don't go face us. So please don't mind your business. Okay, and sure say they follow us literally everywhere at Yanga 899 FM on IG, TikTok, and X. Also follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. We get better video. We go just entertain you at Yanga FM Nigeria. I am at Baby Sasa. See you tomorrow.
All right, everybody.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.